ZW3D 2026 supports 2D/3D drawing collaboration, automatically syncing changes and reducing rework to improve efficiency. For companies using both 2D and 3D design tools, the common practice is to create 3D models first and then generate drawing sheets and annotations using DWG/DXF files in 2D CAD. By selecting Dimension in ZWCAD, checking Associate with DWG/DXF, setting the drawing scale, and clicking Synchronize to DWG/DXF, users can establish data linkage. Once linked, annotations can be made directly in 2D DWG/DXF files without re-exporting, greatly enhancing efficiency. When modifying the 3D model, click the Synchronize to DWG/DXF button to instantly sync changes to the associated DWG/DXF drawing. For workflows with frequent model updates, this feature reduces the operation time from hours to just minutes. Additionally, when new views are added in the 3D engineering drawing, the linked DWG/DXF drawings will automatically update. The 2D/3D drawing sheet collaboration feature enables instant DWG/DXF updates with seamless data synchronization, boosting the efficiency of mixed 2D/3D design workflows.